I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Quill Forms as a trigger. Now choose a form. Click the Fetch button, then go to your form. Fill it out and submit it to retrieve the data. The data was successfully retrieved after submitting the form. Set action. Now search for Action Agile CRM. Give a name. In this field, write your Agile CRM brand name. Agile.app. For API token, please visit Agile API token. Copy API key. Paste it in Authorization page. Now click on Authorize. Authorized successfully done. Now click on Next. Choose Module. Select Role. Now map the fields. Here you can see Advance Action. You can use it as per your requirement. Click on Next. Integrations successfully done. Now please click on Finish and Save. Please go to your form, complete it, and submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Agile CRM Dashboard. Click on CRM. Then click on Contact. You can see record is created in Contact module. This way you can create integrations. Thanks for watching.